Today I went to Rose's Luxury to pick up the takeout menu. So this is an unboxing for Rose's Luxury. This is a one-star restaurant in DC area. Now, this one, I ordered lychee salad, rigatoni with pesto, Rose's brisket, and chess pie. So I believe that this is the chess pie. Not sure what this bread is for, but there's a bread. I believe that this is a rigatoni. They don't have any labels, but it's pretty obvious what they are, I guess. And then, I don't know what, oh, leeches for salad. And then this has to be the brisket. And, oh, this is the horseradish. Coleslaw. Leech mix-in. Pork sausage. Piave. Garlic breadcrumbs. So let's see. That is all I had. Eat my pork or veggie sausage in a microwave for 30 seconds. Combine the cold salad and leech mixed in. Stir everything together really well. The messier the better. That's interesting. Okay. And then rigatoni. Combine pesto and pasta with 2 ounces of water, then microwave in 30-second interval until hot. Garnish with granada padana. So this is the rigatoni. So, and then granada padana and breadcrumbs. So garlic breadcrumbs, and I presume this is what they're talking about, piave. And then brisket, I can roast it. Okay. I'll put it in the microwave. Brisket, coleslaw, horseradish. And then there are just like regular sandwich breads. Alright. And then the chess pie, topped with sour cream and marmalade. Chess pie, it's pretty small, but it's for one person, so it's fine. So the first dish was the lychee salad, which is apparently an iconic Rose's dish. And they make it with about 13 different ingredients, and they tell you to just mix everything together and have everything in one bite. To me, this dish really stood out because I've never had anything like this before, so I thought it was very unique and creative. If I had to guess, maybe it was inspired by Southeast Asian cuisine, but I'm not very familiar with that, so I'm just making guesses. But as you can see, they have playfully mixed different textures and flavor profiles. So the lychee is a tropical fruit that's got a refreshing and sweet taste. And they've combined some coconut cream, I presume, and the crunchiness of the nuts, savoriness of the pork sausage, the cilantro. There's also a little bit of heat, maybe coming from some onion and habanero. It was just so interesting and just burst of flavors in your mouth. And I really respect this dish and enjoyed it. And I really think that if you do get a chance, you should try out this particular dish from Rose's Luxury. The second course was rigatoni with pesto. The pesto was made with arugula and pistachio, which is very unique. And you could top it with garlic breadcrumbs and the grated cheese. Honestly, for me, this was kind of a disappointing dish. I feel like it had no flavor, and I think they could have made it more interesting by maybe adding like small pieces of quince or some surprise elements like that. But aside from its unique ingredients, it did not really do much for me. But on a good side, the rigatoni was definitely al dente even after I heated it. So it did have good texture, but still kind of disappointing dish for me. But the main course, which is the Rose's brisket, just blew me away. It is served with coleslaw, horseradish creme fraiche, and fluffy white bread, and you can make it into your traditional American sandwich. And you might be wondering what's so special about this, but you have to take a bite to understand how they got that one Michelin star. The brisket was so tender and so flavorful because it's house smoked for 12 hours. The coleslaw is definitely different from your typical coleslaw. It's more pickled. The horseradish has such an intense flavor, but it combines all of these ingredients together and creates this exceptional, classically American dish. As you can probably tell, I really enjoyed this dish, and I think I will take all of my foreigner friends here so they can really understand what an American cuisine is like. And the dessert is something called chess pie. Apparently, it used to be stored in chests until guests came over when the chest pie would be taken out and served. So that's why it's called chest pie or chess pie. I presume it's supposed to be eaten in room temperature. It's served with marmalade and sour cream. It's got a really dense but sweet flavor, and I thought this was a great way to end this meal. And just to add one more information, it is made with oat flour, so they're saying that it is gluten-free dessert. So this is all I have for Rose's luxury takeout menu. And I just checked online and they still have the exact same menu for $45 per person, which is great value. So I think if you get a chance, you should definitely check out Rose's luxury takeout menu. And I hope to see you next time.